Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. Today we are going to do our Spoken English practice number 37. Before that we have completed our Spoken English practice number 1 till Spoken English practice number 36. I congratulate you on your consistency and on your dedication that you are completely focused to improve your spoken English, your listening abilities, your confidence level, and you want to excel in your field. So thank you very much for watching. Now we are going to do our spoken English practice number 37, and today we will talk about two topics, music, and second topic is personality. So now I am going to ask question. You know the methodology is that a lot of people who want to improve their spoken English, they are always telling that we are not getting a person to practice our spoken English, to whom we should speak English to improve our speaking abilities, our confidence level, and to remove our hesitation. So in these videos I am trying my level best to help you and solve your this problem, that I will ask the question and you will give the answer. So you can do this 2, 3, 4 times. Listen these videos and give the answer, and you will improve a lot. So now I am going to ask you question and you will give the answer. Question number 1: do you like music? Question number 2: do you enjoy music videos? Question number 3: do you like all kinds of music? 4: who is your favorite singer? 5: have you ever been to a concert? 6: how often do you listen to the radio? 7: what kind of music you dislike? 8: why you like music? 9: do you think students are spending more time on listening music or watching music? 10: what is the better idea, to listen radio or watching TV? What music you like? Pop, rock, classical? Do you listen English song or on your native language songs? Okay, now next, what are some qualities of your personality? What are some things make you happy? What are some things make you angry? Are you happy with your personality? Do you want to change your personality? Are you a disciplined person? Are you a shy person? Are you a selfish person? Is your personality suited to your job? Is your personality suited to your job? Do you think you are a good person? This was our spoken English practice number 37. I hope you will do exercise and you will improve a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.